What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tosley back with another video. If you're a returning Tosley babe, thank you, boo. If you're new to this channel, you already know what you gotta do. You gotta hit that subscribe button for me, okay? Like, comment, talk to me, y'all. Talk to me. Today we're gonna do that little flower wall background. So we're in my room, okay? So this is my bed. That's my bed over there, and then this part of my room, I'm gonna turn it into like my little office space or whatever. You know, because I'm an entrepreneur or whatever, so I need some space. So I'm gonna turn this into a nice little office, a nice energy, nice atmosphere. You feel me? Like when I roll out my bed, I want to be like, girl, we got to get busy, okay? So I want to do the wall, the flower background that y'all be seeing. I'm pretty sure everyone sees it. It's so cute. It's a nice little backdrop or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna tell you guys where I got all of my stuff from. So as you guys can see, this grass right here, the fake grass, I got it from Home Depot. It was like $20. I didn't open it up yet. I don't know how long or big it is. And then this, you know, you guys can get this right from the dollar store. They have these for like $2 for $1, 69 cents, whatever. Okay. And then I also got these boards, dollar store as well. Dollar store. Okay. And then I have, of course, the fake flowers from the dollar store. Everything's from the dollar store except my grass. So, you know, we always slay on a budget, okay? I be telling slay on a budget, period, poo. Okay, so I think that's it. Oh, I have the staple gun so that I can just, you know, staple the stuff on the wall. I also bought a bunch of pictures. I think they're out there. I bought a bunch of pictures because I think I'm gonna do this wall with like some inspirational like quotes and, you know, some cute little fashion makeup, whatever. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it, okay? So yeah, so we about to just get right into it.
just to